Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a fall decorate with me. I love decorating for fall and I get started pretty early. It's already cool where I live, and so I pulled out my decorations. This is kind of like a first phase for me. I do a really easy first sweep of decorating, and then I add in kind of as the season progresses, as we get towards Halloween and then Thanksgiving. I started in my dining area and I cleared everything off the table and I put down this lace runner that I already had. I really love using things that I already own. Always shop your home. And then I layered over this buffalo check runner, again something that I had. I just checked my linen closet and pulled out a few things. This buffalo plaid is going to show up a few more times. I'm sure you guys have it in your home as well. It's so popular right now. And I didn't start out with a theme in mind, but by the end of my decorating I definitely had one. I was just naturally drawn to this buffalo check plaid in black and white, and then burnt orange and mint green. I don't know if that sounds crazy to you if you think orange and mint go together, but I kept pulling these colors out of things that I already own and stuff I was buying, and then by the end I had a clear color scheme and I'm loving it. Honestly guys, this is my favorite way that I've decorated my home for fall ever, I think. And I didn't go all out. It's pretty subdued, at least by my standards. I'm putting a few accessories back on the table. These were things that were already on the table. I'm just putting them back, and I'm gonna add in some stuff to give it that fall feeling. I'm putting in a glass pumpkin that I already had. It's kind of like a cookie jar. And then I've got like that gray pumpkin is something from the Target dollar spot last year. The Target dollar spot in my area doesn't have its fall stuff out yet, but I'm sure that it will soon. And I think this little potted pumpkin will probably be back. It was so popular last year. And then I'm gonna add in some greenery. These are eucalyptus leaves from Trader Joe's. I got them for I think $2.99. I've never used real eucalyptus before, and it was so cheap and so easy to work with, and it really gave a fall flair to my greenery. And then just a couple sunflowers, again from Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's is one of my favorite places to shop for flowers year round, but especially in fall. They always have those oranges, the sunflowers. They're always a great deal there. And this is kind of where I ended up. You'll see I added a blue pumpkin in. I got that at Home Goods, and I'm just absolutely loving this tablescape. I'm sure it's going to grow as the months progress, but this is where we are right now. And then in my kitchen, I added just a few things in the kitchen. I got these dish towels at I think Home Goods. I'm pretty sure it was Home Goods. And this was two different sets, so I got two sets. Two towels in a set. These are some oven mitts from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has these really pretty buffalo plaid oven mitts out right now. Picks them up. And then I put the matching set on the drawer of my fridge. And I think it kind of fits that scheme. You guys see the burnt orange, you see the mint, you see the plaid. And again, I didn't plan this. I was just naturally drawn to it this year. I think it is so sweet and farmhouse looking in my kitchen. I've also got this little alcove in my kitchen where I can display some dishware. And I'm just putting in these little pumpkins. These pumpkins were all $1 each. They either came from the Target dollar spot last year or from the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has awesome $1 ceramic pumpkins out right now, but also be looking for Target to put out these pumpkins soon. If they're not already at your Target, they're coming out soon. These little $1 ceramic pumpkins in beautiful, beautiful colors. Then at my sink, I added in my new favorite fall Mrs. Meyer's scent in this acorn spice. I think it's new for this year, and it's a limited edition scent. It is an incredible scent. And then a hand soap, a sunflower, really easy. In my dining area, I have a shutter hanging on the wall with this little wreath year round, and I'm clipping on some of these Dollar Tree pumpkins. I hauled these in my recent fall Dollar Tree haul. I will link that below. You get 3 of these pumpkins for $1. It's a great deal, and they come on these clips, which makes them so perfect for craft projects, for DIYs, for home decor. The white color, guys, it sells out fast when Dollar Tree puts them out. This set of 3 pumpkins comes in red, and I think, so orange and I think red, and also this white color, and whenever they put them out in white, they go. So if you see them, buy them. They are so great. You can use them in a million different ways. If you're making a wreath for your front door this year, this would be a perfect addition to a DIY wreath. I think it's just such a charming little farmhouse pumpkin touch. In my entryway, I have this table, and I cleared it of all things, and I put this tray on that I already had. I liked the wood tone for fall. I'm adding in this sign. I got it last year at Walmart. I think it was only $3. Walmart puts out really great fall decor every single year. I'm adding in this greenery that I already had, and then I'm gonna put some ceramic pumpkins that I already had. I think I got these both last year. I loved the colors. The copper one has a peachiness to it that I think really goes with my color scheme this year. And then I'm using a candle holder to stack another pumpkin to give some height. That's a great tip. You know, often people use cake plates to kind of give different levels, but you can use candle holders as well if you have smaller items that you want to get up off the ground. So now I've got different layers going on. I think it adds a lot of interest to the eye. This came from the Dollar Tree, this little frame. It is so cute. I love that galvanized metal. I'm going to take a picture of my daughter when we go to a pumpkin patch this year and put it in there. It's a perfect way to store and display fall memories like that. If you're going apple picking or you have a favorite Halloween photo of your child, put it front and center. It's fun and it's festive and really sentimental. On my coffee table, this is some stuff I already had on a tray. I'm taking out the candle and I'm going to add in a pumpkin for some height and dimension just like I did before. That pumpkin came from the Dollar Tree. I love that coppery burnt orange color. I'm adding in a Bath & Body Works candle in one of my favorite fall scents, flannel. This one's from last year. And then another Dollar Tree pumpkin. I love these green Dollar Tree pumpkins. And then this gray pumpkin is from the Target dollar spot last year. It might not be one of the $1 pumpkins. I think that one was $3, but still a great price for the size, and I love that color. On the sofa table behind my couch, I have this little basket, and I'm filling it up with just a few random items. Those cotton stems, those came from the Dollar Tree. I know people have hauled them before, but I've never seen them at my Dollar Tree, so I was really excited to see that we got some in. So I layered some in the bottom, and then I'm putting in some soft-sided pumpkins. So all of the ceramic and glass pumpkins you've seen so far have been in locations that my toddler cannot reach. But this basket here, my toddler can reach it, so I wanted to make sure all the stuff in here was non-breakable. And these velvet pumpkins here, I hauled them as well in my recent Dollar Tree fall haul, linking that below. These velvet pumpkins are so gorgeous. I can't believe they're $1. I can't believe Dollar Tree has put them out. They come in so many beautiful colors. And then those kind of like knitted yarn pumpkins, those came from Target last year. And then I've added in a few burlap pumpkins. Those are also from Dollar Tree. They have those out every single year. You should have no problem finding them. Now we're moving on to one of my favorite types of decorating throw pillows. I have a throw pillow problem. This plaid pumpkin pillow, it came from Home Goods. It's one of my favorite things I bought this year for fall. It was $20. It's the priciest thing I bought this year, but it absolutely spoke to me and it kind of set off the whole design I was going for. I paired it with a mint pillow here that I already had. Then in an armchair across from the way, I added this burnt orange pillow. I got two for $19 at Burlington Coat Factory, a good deal for two. I added another one of these mint pillows that I already had. I love these colors together. On the sofa, that second burnt orange pillow, and then this pumpkin pillow is darling. I'm linking it below, guys. It was $6.99. Can you believe that? I got it on Amazon. It's just the pillow cover, and then I stuffed it with a pillow I already had. I think it is so darling. I cannot believe the price point on this. You guys are gonna wanna look it up. And then I paid some attention to my bookshelves. I have bookshelves in my living room, and the first thing I did was I kind of took away some of this summer color. I took away these blues. I've got like vases and stuff. And then I added in a letterboard saying, "Oh, hi fall," some little pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. I added this sign on the shelf. I absolutely love it. It's $1 from the Dollar Tree. Again, I'm linking below the video where I outlined all of these finds at the Dollar Tree. They have great $1 fall stuff this year. On my mantle, I just kind of cleared off anything that was bigger. This is a spot that I love decorating for fall. I'm gonna do a full fireplace fall video, but this is kind of just getting me started. I put in this greenery here. It's just a piece of garland that came from Michael's years ago. It's got like some magnolias on it, and then I'm putting in some Dollar Tree pumpkins. I've got a mix of the velvet pumpkins and the burlap pumpkins. I used 6, so just $6 here and a really great look. I love these creamy champagne velvet pumpkins the Dollar Tree did this year. They're just incredible. I don't know if you can tell from the video, but they are a great size as well. They're bigger than the burlap pumpkins, and the burlap pumpkins I already thought were a great size, so totally look for these velvet pumpkins. At my fireplace, I placed a vase that I already had, and I stuffed it with a fake floral bouquet that I already had, and I'm using the bouquet sort of like floral foam. I'm using it as a way to put these floral picks in so that they will stand up without me having to do any extra work. It's a great trick. I picked up these different stems at the Dollar Tree. I think they're called delphinium, please correct me if I'm wrong, and then also these picks with these little pumpkins on them in copper and burnt orange. So pretty, so effective, so inexpensive. It gives a great pop of color. And then I just put a favorite fall candle, marshmallow fireside, in my kitchen, lit it up, and that was it. This took me I don't know, maybe an hour, guys. This was not a lot of decorating, but it had a great effect on my home. My home feels so cozy now, and like I said, this is just the start for me. There is more to come. Please hit that red subscribe button if you want to see more fall videos. I've got a ton coming up. Mantles, I'm doing bunting, I've got a front porch video coming up. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.